Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a week in my natural hair. So today is Saturday, January 6th. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it's Saturday, January 6th. And I usually start my hair routine on Saturdays, sometimes Sunday, but mostly Saturday because I usually do a wash and go on Saturdays. Saturday is my day of the week to go out and like live my best life. But I usually go out on Saturday night, Saturday day. I'm usually running around doing a lot of stuff, so it's pretty easy for me to start my hair routine on Saturday morning. I usually start earlier than this, but I went out last night, so I was kind of lazy today. So it's like almost noon, but normally I'll start this at like 9 or 8 on Saturday morning because I usually get up pretty early and hang with my family. So the first thing I do is a hot oil treatment, which my oil is in some hot water heating up. And I do that because in the winter my hair is super duper dry and it just really helps to add moisture and replenish it. You can sleep in this overnight, but I personally don't because I'm very scared of it getting all over my bed. The particular hot oil treatment I use, you guys are going to be getting a video on. It's my own oil mix. It's inspired by Curly Proverbs. If you guys don't know who she is, she does Ayurvedic hair care and her hair is life. So I've been using Ayurvedic products as well, and this hot oil treatment has henna in it, and I have like very light turquoisey mint colored satin sheets and pillowcases, so I do not want that staining my bedding. So we are gonna get started. I split my hair down the middle basically. That's what's easiest for me. Yup. And then I just take like little sections out. Literally nothing professional. Like, I am kind of lazy with my hair, to be honest. This is like a real video. You guys are seeing the real deal. Like, I have no makeup on, I'm looking a hot mess. This is just facts of life. So I just take my oil out of the water and squirt some in my hands and go from there. And my oil's already warm, so I can just literally rub it on my hair. You can dampen your hair. I personally don't because I actually feel like the oil runs like everywhere when I do that. Like I don't feel like I get as much penetration into my hair. That's just me though. Everyone's different. I have higher in porosity hair, so my hair just does not suck up things as well. Alright guys, so once it is all applied, put on the shower cap. And you have the choice to either sit around like this for hours on end, or if you're like me and you ain't got time for that, put on one of these little heating caps. It's got a little dial on it. I usually kick it on my bed and watch YouTube or TV, whatever I want to do, for about 30 minutes, and then I go and I get in the shower and I wash my hair. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so I have rinsed out my deep conditioner. I let that sit in my hair for like an hour. I got distracted and was like watching TV and texting and stuff, but now it is time to do my styling. Now, because I'm starting with a wash and go first thing in the week, I want it to have a lot of longevity. I love my Diva Curl products. You guys saw them in my favorite curly hair products of 2017. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it, but they don't give much longevity, I would say. These two give longevity. So I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler Gel and the Paul Mitchell The Conditioner. This is how I get my hair to last me for at least 3 to 4 days, depending on if I want to restyle it or not. If I don't want to restyle it, I can get a week out of my hair using these two for a wash and go. So what I'm going to do is just split my hair. It's already been detangled, as you guys saw in the shower. So I just clip the top. And my favorite leave-in is still aloe vera juice. Give it a little spritz. I'm doing this on soaking wet hair. I find that's how I get the least amount of frizz. And I mean, I'm not shy with my products. That's just me. Everyone's different, so do your hair how you like. It's yours. And guys, I use the praying hands method. That's always what has worked for me. I like my curls to be elongated. I know some people go through and shingle. I'll try it one day. I'll film it for you guys. I don't know. I feel like it takes hella long, and I don't want to take that long to do my hair. Next, I'm gonna put on my gel. If you guys notice, I wiped off the excess leave-in conditioner off of my hands before I go in for my gel. I think that helps the products mold better together than when you have leftovers on your hand and it kind of cakes up and gets gross. So make sure you wipe in between. That's something I've noticed gets me a lot more success in my wash and goes. Then I really spread this gel out, and same thing. I will go in and I come all the way from my roots down my hair and then do my praying hands. And I kind of finger comb it through and then praying hands again. And really work it into my ends because they get super frizzy. And there. And flip that back. Okay guys, so at this point with my hair, I have options. I can either just let it air dry like this, or I can do the plop method, which is basically where you bend your head over and put all of your hair into a towel, and it helps it dry faster and give you a little bit more volume and lengthening to your hair. That's my personal favorite as of lately because my hairs back here shrink up so much more than my hair at the top. So my hair all ends up being like, my hair is all one length, but it ends up looking like shorter than it is because my hair hits me right on my shoulders a little bit, you know, a little bit past, and since it's curly, it'll just bounce off my shoulder and look way shorter than it is if I don't dry it, elongate it in some kind of way. So I'm just gonna put my hair in my plop, and I will see you guys later when I check in. It might be vlog style, it might be more formal, sitting at the camera. It just depends like what I end up doing today. But I will see you guys at our next check-in. Bye. All right guys, it is night 3. I didn't film anything for night 2 because my hair looked basically like this. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just slept on my satin pillowcase, And that's about it. I just filmed another video, so you guys, actually, that video is gonna go before this one, so you're gonna see me in the exact same thing. But it's like 8:30 and I wanna start getting comfy and taking off my makeup and all that good stuff. Do some yoga, do some meditation, do face mask, my stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do at night on about the third night. And this is my hair, third day. It's very big and fluffy. I love it. But my hair is probably not going to be looking so hot tomorrow, which you guys will see an update of what I do then, because I'm going to the gym, and that's usually when I like refresh this situation. It's been super rainy outside, so it's actually been helping my hair stay fluffy and nice and defined, more so than it normally would, I think. But I'm gonna take my Ayurvedic hair oil mix. Usually I do this sitting on my bed watching someone's YouTube videos, but I'm showing you guys what I do, so I'm not going to be doing that. And I basically just take some on my fingertips like that, rub it all in, and just apply it to my scalp. And I'm pretty generous with this just because my scalp loves it and I'm prone to a very dry, itchy scalp. So I'm pretty generous with hair oils and things like that on my scalp. You know your hair, so you would use the amount that works for your hair. Next, I'm gonna take my scalp massager from Vanity Planet. Yes, I have one that I use in the shower, and then I have like the actual, this one's called a scalp massager. The other one's a shampoo brush. This video is not sponsored. I literally just use these products. I love them. I've seen an increase in blood flow, scalp cleanliness, hair growth, everything since adding these into my hair regimen. So yeah, I use them religiously. I will leave you guys a coupon code down below if I can find one, but honestly, they just are bomb in my book. And I'm gonna go ahead and massage my scalp. Usually I do this for the length of someone's like 10-minute YouTube video. So I'm basically going to hang out and massage my scalp. Okay guys, so once you do your scalp massage, I mean your hair is going to be looking a little cray-cray, but just pat it back in place. Besides, you're going to bed. Who's really got anything to say? If Bae got a problem with it, then he ain't Bae, okay? Next, I take some aloe vera juice and I just give my hair like a cool kind of misty vibe. I'll link where you can get this water bottle below, but I mean, it's the bomb. It literally just mists the product over your hair. So it's like the perfect way to just infuse a little moisture. And then that is it. It's like 8:30, so I'm gonna be up until about 10. Gives my hair like an hour and a half to let this dry and settle into it, kind of re-plump up my curls, and then I will go to sleep. I have lately just been sleeping on my satin pillowcases. No scarf, no really anything other than the satin pillowcase. No scrunchie or anything, and I've been liking it. It's making my hair more voluminous and fuller throughout the week, and I think I'm gonna stick to it, so that's how I'm gonna sleep. If you guys like to tie your hair up, ponytail, you know, whatever you like to do, pineapple, anything like that, go ahead and do that after your hair has dried and soaked in all of this aloe vera juice. If you do it when your hair is still wet, it will smash your curls and you won't be able to keep this wash and go going for another day. Anywho guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Okay guys, so it is the end of day 4, and what I'm gonna do is refresh my hair. So I like to just get my hair wet. I usually do this over my laundry room sink or something, and I just wet all of my hair and apply conditioner to the ends of my hair. I use a conditioner with a lot of slip so that it's very easy for me to detangle my hair. My personal favorite is the Aussie conditioner, as you guys already know. And I basically just apply this to the ends and detangle my hair. And then I will reapply these same products from my wash and go from earlier in the week. And that's really it for day 4. And then my hair will just keep rocking like that through day 5, 6, and 7. Hey guys, so you have reached the end of the week in my hair routine. If you cannot tell by this filthy puff, basically as my wash and goes wear out, my hair ends up looking like this. So I need to go wash it. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and also thank you so much for giving my last video a thumbs up. That's like so awesome. That's why you guys got this video. So the more you leave me your comments, the more you thumbs up videos, the more videos you guys will get. And I love when you guys suggest content. I will definitely try my hardest to film it for you guys. Also, if you are already subscribed, or if you're not subscribed, hello, click the button. What you waiting on? Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are all uploaded, so you can see when they're coming out. You'll get notified. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at justjamiexoxo, so you can see all my daily shenanigans, and tag me on Instagram if you guys try any of the products I recommend or any of your hair care recommendations. I love interacting with you guys in the comment section, so make sure you do it on the social medias too. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!